Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a normal text into a curvy structure in the app IBIS Paint X. So first I'm going to use this text tool to create the text. I'm going to type radiate positivity. Now adjust the size of the text using this size option. And once you see perfect, click on the tick, and here go to the bottom layer, or you can choose the top layer as well. I'm going to draw the reference line using this circular roller. I'm using the felt tip pen hard brush and reducing the opacity of the layer to 40%. This is only for our reference purpose. So now go to transform tool in the text layer and use the mesh transform and adjust the division value. For the first time, just keep the division values as minimum as possible. For example, for the number of division in Y, I just kept it as 1, and for x-axis I just using 2 divisions so that we can arrange them perfectly, and step by step increase the division value in the x-axis, and this will help to adjust the shape perfectly without any making too much error because of that, having too much anchor points. And here I just adjust the shape of the text accordingly with the shape of the arch or the curve line that we have created for the reference. And now everything is perfect. Click on this tick and click on this rasterize and transform, and now this layer is not a text layer anymore. And now switch off this circular roller and our curvy text or arch text is ready to use. Thank you for subscribing and watch all my videos.